Welcome to the Dollar Blueprint, your global masterclass on how to earn US dollars in your 20s, no matter where you live. We are starting with the currency arbitrage hook, a powerful concept that fundamentally changes how you approach earning money. In your 20s, the key is not to work harder, but to work in a stronger currency. Earning in US dollars while living in a lower-cost country is the ultimate wealth cheat code through purchasing power parity, or PPP. Forget low-value surveys. We focus on high-ticket digital skills. Industries like finance and business pay the highest rates, meaning higher RPMs for your time. Before earning a dollar, you need the right financial pipes. Set up Wise or Payoneer to avoid hefty local bank fees. Crucially, fill out the W-8BEN form. This non-resident tax form prevents the IRS from withholding 30% of your earnings, saving you thousands. Next, we dive into one of the most profitable skills, high-ticket ghostwriting, and how to leverage LinkedIn to find clients. US-based CEOs and founders have money but lack time. They need a personal brand to attract investment, and they'll pay generously for a ghostwriter to manage their content. A $1,000 post isn't just words. Master the problem, agitate, solve framework. State a painful problem, explain the cost of ignoring it, and offer a unique insight. Business owners pay up to $2,500 a month for this 3 times a week. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find ideal clients. Filter for founders in key locations with Series A funding. These companies have millions in new investment and need immediate brand growth. They are your primary target. Finally, we cover the invisible portfolio and the power of high-ticket closing. To land a US client with no experience, create a mock case study. Pick a real brand, redesign their content in a Canva PDF, and send a 60-second Loom video showing their current mistakes and your fixed version. This proves value instantly. High-ticket closing is arguably the highest-paying skill. You're not a telemarketer. You are a consultant, taking discovery calls for US companies selling software or coaching for $5,000 or more. The math is simple. A 10% commission on a $5,000 sale is $500. Close one sale a week, and you're at $2,000 United States dollars a month. Look at platforms like Closers.io or CloudTask to get trained and placed. Let's start with YouTube, which we call digital real estate. This is where you build assets that pay you passively. Here's the secret. YouTube pays you in US dollars, but a view from a Tier 1 country like the US is worth up to 10 times more than views from other regions. You must target high CPM audiences. This is why we call it digital real estate. You are creating digital assets that command a high rental income or AdSense revenue simply by where your viewers are located. The best part? You don't need to show your face. We use AI tools to create high-quality, faceless content quickly and at scale. Crucially, use 11 Labs for your voiceovers. Their human-sounding AI voices pass YouTube's detection, preventing demonetization, which standard robotic voices risk. For the visual side, utilize tools like InVideo or Pictory. These platforms let you quickly generate videos using high-quality stock footage, minimizing your production time. Focus on high CPM niches where advertisers pay the most: insurance, software reviews, personal finance, and real estate. To maximize your ad revenue, you need viewers to stick around. This is where retention secrets come in. The algorithm highly favors videos over 10 minutes as they offer more ad inventory. Always aim for that 10-minute mark. Use pattern interrupts every 30 seconds, a sound effect, a text pop-up, or a quick zoom in to reset the viewer's focus and keep that RPM climbing. Now let's shift to the drop servicing agency model, a proven path to scale beyond your personal time limits. You can only work so many hours in a day. To hit $10,000, you must transition from being the worker to being the middleman, the agency owner. This is simple arbitrage. You find a client, say on Upwork, willing to pay $1,000 for a website, and you hire a specialist in a low-cost region for $400, pocketing the difference. Your value isn't just in finding the specialist, it's in providing a layer of quality control. You check the final product, fix the grammar, check the code, and make sure the high-paying US client is delighted with the result. You are selling convenience and trust. That $600 profit spread is your fee for eliminating risk and ensuring a professional, high-quality outcome. We are now at the final strategic push. The time for learning is over. The time for action is now. Choose one of the 4 pillars we've covered: ghostwriting, closing, automation, or agency, and commit to it fully. Commit to 100 cold outreaches. Action is the only metric that matters, and volume is the key to unlocking your first clients. Remember, the first $1,000 is the hardest. After that, hitting $10,000 is just a matter of systemizing and scaling what works. Start today. Welcome to the final 3 minutes of our masterclass. We're moving from theory to action with the final success framework to maximize your dollar earnings. This framework is designed to help you transition from simply earning money to building long-term, sustainable wealth. The first principle is the velocity of money rule. Earning dollars is step 1, but retaining and reinvesting them is the critical step 2. It's about how quickly you move money from earning to growing. Retention is key to increasing your financial momentum. Don't increase your lifestyle as soon as those first dollar checks start hitting your account. This is the biggest mistake high earners make. Instead, use the spread to invest back into your business. Adopt this adjusted 50/30/20ths rule. 50% for local living, 30% for business scaling, and 20% for long-term dollar assets. Next, we have the skill stacking principle. You rarely make $10,000 with just one skill. Think about it. Single skill tasks are easily outsourced. High-value clients pay for people who can solve complex problems using multiple skills. You don't just stay a writer, you become a writer who understands SEO and high-ticket sales. Each skill you add acts as a powerful multiplier for your effective hourly rate. Now, a technical warning from an expert. Avoiding the PayPal trap is crucial for your financial security. Remember this critical fact. Standard digital wallets like PayPal are not banks. They do not offer the same regulatory protections. The danger is they can freeze large sums of your funds for up to 180 days without warning if their internal systems flag any activity. Always sweep your dollar earnings out of digital wallets daily. Move them into your local bank or a regulated digital bank like Wise for safety. Finally, I want to give you a concrete challenge: the 100-day sprint commitment. Most people fail because they quit after 3 ignored emails. The difference between success and failure is often pure commitment. Your challenge is simple. Send 5 quality outreaches every single day for 100 days. Commit to the process, not the immediate result. If you do this, it is statistically impossible not to land at least one high-ticket client. Don't forget to follow for more expert insights. Subscribe and smash that like button.